Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far. Shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us, hip hooray!
It was a bright and cheerful Easter morning. Benny the Easter Bunny hopped out of his cozy burrow, ready for a fun day of hiding colorful eggs. But before he could start, he needed to make sure he had just the right number of eggs. Lily Bunny hopped out into the garden for an adventure to find the hidden eggs that Benny Bunny hid in the garden. Lily Bunny hops into a sunny meadow, finds one sparkling egg under a tulip. She picks it up and holds up. Lily Bunny finds one egg. Can you say, one egg? Lily Bunny skips to a small hill and finds two eggs behind a rock. Zrenia. Two eggs! In a garden patch, she finds 3 eggs next to carrots. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. Lily Bunny finds 4 pastel eggs inside a hollow log. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs. Bunny swings on a rope to collect eggs are hanging from tree branches like ornaments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs. In a colorful sandbox, she digs out 6 eggs with a small shovel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs. On a rainbow bridge, 7 eggs are lined in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eggs. On a picnic blanket, 8 eggs are hidden in cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 eggs. 9 eggs are floating in bubbles above a stream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 eggs. On a hilltop under a rainbow, she shows all 10 eggs in her basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 10 eggs.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far. Shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing